started just as something to do because I was passionate about it. I thought we might take a couple of people around every week on food tours of Durham and Chapel Hill and then Raleigh, and it really took off. So 10 years later, we've hosted almost 50,000 people on food tours.
So a little bit about today. We have 6 very fun places that we will visit, and what typically happens is we'll walk into the restaurant, they'll seat you, then they'll serve you food and drink, and then the chef or the manager might come out and talk to you a little bit about the food or the restaurant, so feel free to ask them any questions.
We make everything from scratch. We make the mayonnaise, we make the mustard, the pickles, the relish, the sauerkraut, the bacon, the buns, hot dogs, veggie burgers, pound cake, ice cream, Worcestershire sauce, sriracha, barbecue. I mean, everything you eat in this restaurant is prepped right here in this kitchen from scratch almost every single day.
So this is Toast. It is a paninoteca, which is essentially an Italian-style sandwich shop.
We do all walking tours. That's why we focus on the center of the city. We talk about history and architecture and the culinary scene as we go from restaurant to restaurant. Every tour is led by a tour guide.
Pretty much from the late 1800s through the mid-1900s, this whole street was Black-owned businesses. And it was the most fiscally profitable street in the country next to New York Wall Street.
We hear a lot from locals saying that they haven't been to the restaurants that we took them to yet. So we're excited when we get to introduce locals to their own hometown. And then North Carolina is becoming more and more of a food destination, and we're always happy when we can host tourists and show off the food and the culture in our cities.
Today is a gin and tonic. We make our own tonic syrup in-house, and today we are using Durham Distillery American Dry Gin.
Erica and I were co-workers, and we love to try new things and go to restaurants. We send each other food photos all the time, and have you tried this place and that place? And so we did the Raleigh food tour. That was great. Erica, our tour guide, was awesome. And we got to try some new things, and it's a lot of fun to try new foods and learn things about the cities where you live near.
I enjoyed the Pompieri pizza today. It was really good. It's not something I would typically order, but I really like trying new things, and I found something that I like.
It's really neat to meet the chefs and the owners and the managers at the places. It's a neat experience that you don't normally get when you go out to eat. So
I kind of know right away walking into a place whether they're going to be the restaurant that's going to be very excited about participating because they feel a sense of community to do so. They're part of a food community, and if their neighbor restaurants are on the tour, they want to be on the tour too.
Taste Carolina Gourmet Food Tours offers tours in 9 cities: Asheville, Charlotte, Chapel Hill, Durham, Greensboro, Hillsborough, Raleigh, Wilmington, and Winston-Salem. For more information on booking your gourmet food tour, go to tastecarolina.net.